Today I'm going to be showing you a truck that hasn't been on my channel in a while, and that's my dad's 67 Jeep truck, J2000. He's got it on 2.5 ton Rockwells with 51-inch tractor tires. Of course, we got the motor in the rear. It's a 429 big block Ford, and it's really hard to get a good shot of it right now just because we had to push it back in the garage because I'm doing a shed floor here, so we're trying to make a little room. Show you his headers. Now this setup ends up working out really good in the mud because it distributes the weight a little more towards the rear so the front don't dive down. It's got it on a 205 transfer case. Kind of see its link set up there. Show you guys the inside with his roll cage.